my God!
You just made my nuts hit my chin.
There was so much traffic, man. I couldn't see it. There's so much shit.
Hey, I think that was the cop that was stuck.
It was actually.
Ratchet, I just want you to know you've been landing a lot of these jumps that have been a little
We ain't landing
sketchy.
this one though.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying!
Wrong side.
We didn't fail. We just didn't do what you thought we was gonna do.
Get this Sultan. Get this Sultan.
I can't.
It's not right here. You can't right here.
Drive. Listen. Do you have a lockpick?
Yeah.
Ratchet, you're gonna have to do it. I will not be able to get that Sultan. It's too fast. I'll break my lockpick.
Okay.
Give me keys.
Shit, man, you're gonna have to get like a little bit of space on them. You feel me?
We're actually
right
just.
here.
Oh hell, baby. Oh hell, baby. Oh Ratchet.
Oh, we're dead. We're dead. Did it stall?
It did. Oh, I don't have keys. Good luck.
Kirk, you know the plan, right?
Yep.
They're going after Ratchet. They're targeting Ratchet. Never mind. We got cops on us, man.
Come on, baby.
You're going to jail.
Oh, yuck that, man. Yuck that. Hey, we ain't going to jail.
We ain't going to jail. He don't fuck this up, baby.
Go. Are you looking through your eyes?
Hell no.
Yeah,
I am now.
there. Okay, listen, Kirk. All the way up to the top. Take a right. Then we go down the other side. On the right side.
And then retrace our steps.
How you feeling right now?
Seen better days, baby.
Like, you know, like, you think you can take a bit of, oh, yuck.
No, I don't.
Oh, yeah, they're coming, Kirk. They're coming. Take a right.
Yep. And then
We're gonna
right
go
back down.
Down, but on the left.
Yep. Oh, Chatty, they're there already.
Don't worry about them. They can't do anything to us there. Oh, Kirk! Oh, my God! Go and yuck yourself, you suck at yuck! Tase this! Tase this! Kirk! The other two cops are about halfway down the bridge, like, they're not far behind us.
Well, we got two decisions here.
What?
Keep going
No.
or double back?
No, we gotta keep going. I don't think doubling back will work out well for us because they might... Yeah, I don't know.
They can split the difference. Keep going then, huh?
Yeah, I'd say just go straight.
Ain't there an access point for them right there?
No, we...
Fuck,
no,
Chatty, they're
we
gonna
gotta...
drive off. They're gonna drive down the bridge.
They have to, yeah.
They're going down there right now, I reckon.
Oh, man, this ain't good.
Hey, we got to start planning out a route now. Do you see any cars that you could pick? Fucking anything?
Nothing. And I'm not... I'm bleeding out. Somehow.
Band-aids? You need a band-aid?
No. I have band-aids. I need... Do you have a first aid kit?
Hell no.
Oh, yuck.
Hey, we in a precarious pickle of a position right now, Chatty. End of the road, partner. That's what you thought.
Yuck you!
We got a unit down there, partner.
Bring it on!
But we got, ideas and shit. I don't know. Chatty, I lied. I don't have no ideas.
Me neither. My pulse 26.
Yeah, mine's 38.
Okay, we might be able to make a jump. I don't know.
Dude, I don't see shit. I don't see shit for cars.
Kirk, what's your pulse at?
38. Chatty, we gotta go. If we're gonna go now.
Give yourself up!
Down to the containers, Chatty. No, wait, that's gonna hurt. We gotta go back up. We gotta go back up.
Yeah, we do.
I think they're going back up.
Oh, one of them falling. Go, Kirk, go,
I
go, go.
fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked up. Daddy, I'm gonna fall off.
No, Kirk, no! Kirk! Yuck you! Fuck. Kirk! Kirk! Yo, Kirk is going to jail again. I have an idea, chat. I'm gonna do something really fucking sketchy. Oh, fuck. I hope I don't fall.
Where VCB from? And I believe he's still heading down.
Buford fell.
He fucking fell. Fuck, he's coming back up this way. Oh, he's right there. What the fuck? How's that guy so fast? Call bubbles? Nah. I don't know if we can have bubbles.
Think I didn't see you, dirty fucking
Oh,
clown.
yuck! Oh, yuck!
Go
Oh,
for
yuck!
yes.
You think I'm washed? In your
should be washed.
dreams.
Come back here.
In your yucky dreams.
You. I'm up real pissed.
What the fucking hell?
Oh, yuck!
Will you please move out of my way?
Yuck you!
Jerk.
Listen, I'm gonna come up here with you. We're gonna get you. Ah! This hurts.
Fuck. Yes! 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 Yes, motherfucker! Let's go! Let's fucking go!